students, welcome to our maths class. Now we see de Morgan's theorem. So given any complex numbers cos theta plus I sin theta and any integer n. Cos theta plus I sin theta is any complex number, n is any integer. Then cos theta plus I into sin theta whole to the power n, which is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So அதாவது எப்படின்னா, ஸோ காஸ் தீட்டா ப்ளஸ் ஐ சைன் தீட்டான்றது ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரு. ஸோ என்னன்றது எனி இன்டீஜர். அப்படி இருக்கும்போது காஸ் தீட்டா ப்ளஸ் ஐ சைன் தீட்டா ஹோல் டு தி பவர் n இட்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு காஸ் என் தீட்டா ப்ளஸ் ஐ சைன் என் தீட்டா. ஷார்ட்டாக எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம்னா, இங்கே இருக்கிற பவர் எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து ஆர்குமெண்ட், தட் மீன்ஸ் தீட்டாவோட மல்டிபிள் பண்ணிங்கன்னா, ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து de Morgan's theorem அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ் 2.8 fourth question. If 2 cos alpha which is equal to x plus 1 by x and 2 cos beta which is equal to y plus 1 by y, show that the first one is x by y plus y by x equal to 2 cos of alpha minus beta. Second one, xy minus 1 by xy which is equal to 2i sin of alpha plus beta. Third one, x power m divided by y power n minus y power n divided by x power m which is equal to 2y sin m alpha minus n beta. And fourth one, x power m into y power n plus 1 by x power m into y power n which is equal to 2 cos of m alpha plus n beta. So first we want to find the complex number x and y. Okay. So now take 2 cos alpha equal to x plus 1 by x. So using cross multiple, x into x square plus 1 divided by x which is equal to 2 cos alpha. So now denominator x goes to right hand side. So x square plus 1 which is equal to 2 cos alpha into x. So 2 cos alpha into x come left side. So x square minus 2 cos alpha into x plus 1 which is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in the variable x. Okay. So here we want to solve this quadratic equation. So we use quadratic formula. So here the coefficient of x square is a, so which is equal to 1, and coefficient of x is b, so b equal to minus 2 cos alpha, c is equal to 1. Okay. So now the quadratic formula becomes x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the b is what? Minus 2 into cos alpha. Already one minus is there. So minus into minus plus. So 2 cos alpha plus or minus square root of b square means square of b. So minus 2 into cos alpha. Square of minus 2 into cos alpha equal to 4 into cos square alpha minus 4 into a and c both are value 1, so 4 divided by 2 into a. So a value is 1, so 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 into cos alpha plus or minus. Here 4 is common, so bring outside. So square root of 4 into cos square alpha minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 cos alpha plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of cos square alpha minus 1 which is equal to minus sin square alpha. This value becomes cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. So we want cos square alpha minus 1. So right hand side 1 come left side and left hand side sin square alpha goes to right hand side. We get cos square alpha minus 1 is equal to minus sin square alpha. So here 2 is common, so bring outside. So cos alpha plus or minus. So square root of minus 1 is equal to I and square root of sin square alpha is equal to sin alpha divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. So x is equal to cos alpha plus or minus I sin alpha. Similarly, we can solve this equation. We get y is equal to cos beta plus I into sin beta. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me. Hello students. Next, first one. So let us take x is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha and y is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Now find x by y. So x by y which is equal to the x is cos alpha plus I sin alpha and y is cos beta plus I sin beta. So now here we use the exponential form of a complex number. So the exponential form of a complex number cos alpha plus I sin alpha is e power I alpha, and exponential form of cos beta plus I sin beta is equal to e power I beta. So now e power I beta goes to numerator. So e power I alpha into e power minus I beta. So here base is same. So add subtracting the powers. So e power I is common here. So bring outside I into alpha minus beta. So this is the exponential form. The exponential form right into complex number form. So x by y which is equal to cos of alpha minus beta plus I into sin of alpha minus beta. So this is x by y. Now y by x which is equal to 1 by x by y. So 1 by x by y which is nothing but inverse of x by y. So inverse of x by y which is nothing but conjugate of this complex number. So y by x which is equal to cos of alpha minus beta minus I into sin of alpha minus beta. அதாவது இன்வர்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னா இங்க இருக்கிறது அப்படியே கான்ஜுகேட் எடுத்துக்கணும். கான்ஜுகேட்னா ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும். இமேஜினரி பார்ட்டோட சைன் மட்டும் நீங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கணும். இங்க பிளஸ்ஸா இருக்கு அதனால இங்க மைனஸ். Next x by y plus y by x which is equal to x by y is equal to cos of alpha minus beta plus I into sin of alpha minus beta plus y by x is equal to cos of alpha minus beta minus I into sin of alpha minus beta. So plus I sin of alpha minus beta minus I into sin of alpha minus beta get cancelled. We get 2 times of cos of alpha minus beta. Next second one. So x into y which is equal to the x is cos alpha plus I sin alpha and y is cos beta plus I sin beta. The exponential form of cos alpha plus I sin alpha is equal to e power I alpha into the exponential form of cos beta plus I sin beta equal to e power I beta which is equal to here base is same so adding the powers. So in power I is common so bring outside so e power I into alpha plus beta. This is the exponential form. The exponential form right into complex number form. So xy which is equal to cos of alpha plus beta plus I into sin of alpha plus beta. So next 1 by xy which is equal to conjugate of the xy. So cos of alpha plus beta minus I into sin of alpha plus beta. So now xy minus 1 by xy which is equal to xy is cos of alpha plus beta plus I into sin of alpha plus beta minus 1 by xy is equal to cos of alpha plus beta minus I into sin of alpha plus beta. So now subtracting these two, so minus goes to inside, so minus cos of alpha plus beta plus I into sin of alpha plus beta. So plus cos of alpha plus beta minus cos of alpha plus beta get cancelled. We get 2 into 2I into sin of alpha plus beta. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. Thanks.